Harold from Giant Loop. Let's take a quick look at all the things that you can mount on your side luggage racks on your motorcycle with the new GL Pannier mount system. Starting with Giant Loop's Round the World Panniers. And there's Giant Loop's MotoTrekk Panniers that strap right on. Or how about if you need a little extra fuel or water? A RotoPax mount bolts right onto the pre-drilled holes of the GL Pannier mount, enabling you to add a gallon of fuel or water to your luggage rack system. And you can strap on just about anything else with a good set of straps and some solid anchor points, like one of our gas bag fuel safe bladders. Or how about a road dry bag with a couple pronghorn straps? Quick mount, quick release. The RotoPax toolbox also mounts right onto the GL Pannier mount with the RotoPax mount holes pre-drilled. This toolbox has accompanied me on every travel trip I've done with Giant Loop for about 6 years, and now I can take it on my motorcycle too. GL Pannier mount. Go light, go fast, go far.